Hello everyone, welcome to the math session. In today's session we are going to discuss about the Vedic mathematics, and in that the multiplication part 4. Right, in a series of multiplications we were doing in the previous sessions, the multiplication part 1, 2 and 3. Those who have not watched them, just click on the I button and watch them. Now here I have been telling you that the multiplications techniques in Vedic maths are different, that are specific techniques and general techniques. As a part of specific techniques, that means for few kinds of numbers only, we are going to deal today one of the specific technique of multiplication in Vedic maths. Right, here in this trick or a technique, we are going to see that multiplication with the numbers of nines, series of nines. We have completed the series of ones also in previous sessions, right? Like that, multiplication for series of nines. If I take, let me take 3, 4, okay, 34, 2-digit number. If multiplied by 99, okay. So, multiplication with a series of nines we are going to learn today. Now here, this is a 2-digit number and this is also a 2-digit number. That means here what we are doing, the number of digits, if I suppose the number of digits is equal to the number of nines, right? The number of digits equals to nines. What is the technique? Let's learn. Now here, just multiplying in a conventional way, you write one upon the other and multiply it directly. But here in this Vedic mathematics, what we do, we just consider these two numbers, and here for this number we will decrease 1. That means we are doing ekanyunena purvena. Okay, we will decrease 1. So the answer here will be in two parts. The first part is I'll be doing ekanyunena purvena. That means I'll be decreasing 1 from the number. So 34 minus 1. So here I'll write the technique. 34 minus 1 is a 1 part. And the second part of the answer, the product is, here we have to do Nikilam Navataha Charavam Dashataha. That means all from 9, last from 10. That we have learnt it, isn't it? When we were doing the subtractions. All from 9, last from 10 means we have to subtract the digits from 9, but the last digit we have to subtract from 10. So here, if I subtract from 9, 9 minus 3 comes to 6. The last digit from 10, 10 minus 4 is 6. So the product or the answer here is 3366. Okay. So the number will be divided. The answer will be divided into two parts. Okay. The first part is decreased by 1. Then the second part we will be doing for all from 9, last from 10, right? So this is the product of 34 into 9. Now let's take, if this is, let me suppose this is the first one. Let me take another example. Let us take 3-digit number, okay? 435, and if I are taking 3-digit number, let me take 3 nines, okay? Because here we are considering number of digits is equal to the number of nines, okay? That we are considering. Later on we will see the number of digits less than 9, number of digits more than 9 also we will check out. Okay. Now here the answer, no need of writing in two parts. Now directly we will write. The first part is we have to decrease 1. 435 minus 1 is 434, right? 434. Then what we have to do? We have to do all from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. And the last number is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. So simply the answer is this. In 3 seconds you can get the product. Right. Now let me take another example. Okay. Let us take a 4-digit number or a 5-digit number. Right. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. So this is a 6-digit number. So we need to take 6 nines. Okay. Let us take 6 nines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? Now here the number of digits and the number of 9s are equal. So what we have to do for the number, for the product of the first part, we have to decrease 1. So this comes to here 5,67,887 minus 1 comes to 5,6,7,8,8,6. Just decrease 1. Then apply here all from 9, last from 10. Now 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 8, 1. Again 9 minus 8 is 1. But the last number 10 minus 7 is 3. So the answer here is this. Okay. Such big products also we can simply do it in 2 to 3 seconds. Okay. So this is a beautiful technique for when the number of digits is equal to the number of 9s. Let me take another example. Okay. 85675 into, so this is a 5 digit, so let us take 5. Right. Quickly we'll write. I'll be doing it. See here. 85674 here, just one decrease. Now here 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 7 2, 10 minus 5 is 5. So the answer is this. So this is one technique when the number of digits are equal to number of 9s. Quickly pause the video, note it down. Let's see the next one. Now we'll see when the number of digits is less than the number of 9s, right? So what we have to do, we'll see for this type of numbers. Okay, all these are multiplication with a series of 9s, but when the digits are equal, we are using that. When the digits of the digits in the first product, if they are less than the number of 9s, what we have to do? For that, let me take one example here. Now 435, okay, multiplied by, this must be less, so this is 3-digit number, so I'll take a 4-digit number here. So here clearly we can see the number of digits is less than the number of 9s. Now what we do here? Here when the digits are not equal, then we can place a 0 here, right? If you place 0 here, the number doesn't change, isn't it? To the left side. If you place a 0 to the right side, the number changes, isn't it? 435 and 4350. That's different. So if you place a 0, how many zeros you want, you can place. The number doesn't change. So we need 4-digit number. So I have placed only 1 0 so that it becomes 4-digit. Then we can start the same procedure what we have done in the previous one. Now the digits are equal, right? N of digits, number of digits is equal to number of 9s. Here, if you see clearly, isn't it? Then we have to do the same technique what we have done it. Now here, what we have to decrease the first part by 1. So 435, so it becomes 434, right? Then we have to apply for this number all from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, 10 minus 5 is 5. So the answer is we can eliminate the 0 before it is. If it is after, we cannot eliminate. But if it is before, you can eliminate. So 4349565 is the answer. So what I've done, when the digits are not equal, that means when the digits are less, we can add zeros here. We can equate the number of 9s to the number of digits. How many zeros we want, we can add it. Okay. Now let's take another example here. Now if it is 23 multiplied by 4 9s, let me suppose. So the number of digits are less than the number of 9s. Now here, how many zeros I need to add? I need to add 2 zeros. So the number doesn't change. 2 zeros, 2, 3 multiplied by 4 9s, right? Now we can start here. This comes to 0, 0, 2, 2 because I have to decrease 1. Then I'll apply here all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 2 is 7, 10 minus 3 is 7. So the answer here, you can eliminate the zeros now. The answer is 229977. Right. So here how many zeros are needed? Just to equate it with the 9s, you can take that many zeros and proceed to the same procedure. Right? Let us take another example. Now, if the we have taken 4 9s, okay. Now let me take 5 4 7 into 5 9s or 6 9s. Right? Anything we can take. Now here only 3 digits, so I need to add 3 zeros to make it 6-digit number. Right? So this comes to 6-digit number. I'm equating the 9s with the zeros. The number doesn't change here. Okay. Now here we can start 0, 0, 0, 5, 4 and 6. I have decreased 1. Now start here, all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 0, just 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 10 minus 7 is 3. So the final answer, you can eliminate the zeros and you can write the answer. So this is the final product. These many steps you don't need it, but I have to, the concept I am telling you, just in one step you can write down, right? Here, likewise, if you take another example, I have taken 3 digit, 2 digit, let me take 4 digit, right? Now, multiplied by 5 digit, right? Now, that means I have to take 1 0 here to make equal to the 9s. So 5 digit. Now right, let's start. Now 0, 9, 4, 3, 3 only. Okay, 1 decrease. Now 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. So the final answer is 9, 4, 3, 3, 9, 0, 5, 6, 6. So these many steps you don't need. You can directly write the answer. Just write this. And for this, how many zeros? 1 0 is there, you can add and do now all from 9, last from 10. Okay, quickly pause the video and note it down. Let's see the next concept. Now, if the number of digits are more than the number of 9s, what we have to do? Now here, the number of digits are more than the number of 9s. Let's see. These type of numbers, how do we proceed? Now, let me take an example here. Number of digits are more than the 9. So, let the digits be 3, 4, 6. Okay. Multiplied by 9, 9. So, here is 3 digit. This is 2 digits. So, the digits are more than the number of 9s. Now, how do we proceed? Now, here in the before technique, we were placing 1 0. Now, if I place a 0 here to the other side, it becomes the value changes, isn't it? So if you are placing it before, the value doesn't change, but here we are using the technique of 9 series. Now here we should not place any zeros because the number changes, the value of the number changes. Now how do we proceed? We have to take this is a 2-digit number. Now nearing to the tens base. Now here this is nearing to 100, isn't it? 100 minus 1 I can write. So likewise we have to do, if it is 999 nearing to the 10 base, that means 1000. Okay, here double 9. So this nearing to the basis of 10 is, it is near to 100. So I can write this as 100 minus 1, isn't it? So 346, right? Now here multiply with 100, it comes to 34600 minus 346, that means, isn't it? So I'm explaining in that series. Now that here again minus. Now here subtraction we have done using the vinculum. Yes, we have done in the previous session. Those who have not watched the subtractions part of the Vedic maths, just go and watch it, because there's a simple technique for doing the subtraction in a very faster way. Now here we will be using the vinculum here. Just 3, drop 3, 4. We have to start from left to right, isn't it? 6 minus 3 is 3. Now 0 minus 4. This is not possible physically. So what we keep? 4 vinculum and here 6 vinculum. Now this is not the actual number. Now the actual number. This is a vinculum number, right? The actual number is, when the vinculum is placed in on the series here, on 2 or 3 on the series, then we have to decrease 1, that is Ekanunena Purvena, 3, 4, 2. Now here what we do, all from 9, last from 10, if they are on the series. 9 minus 4 is 5, 10 minus 6 is 4. So this is the answer. So going through vinculum, the subtraction through vinculum is very easy. In 2 seconds we can do. Write the vinculum number, then change it to the actual number. So the product is this. So what we have done, we have brought the 9s to the nearest base 10. So 10, hundreds, thousands, so base 10s. So that I've written, I've done the subtraction, and first write the vinculum number, then go for the actual number. The product is this. Now we can just write in 2 steps, right? This is a procedure. For illustration, I have done that. Okay. Now let me take another example. Now here, if I take 4, 3, 6, 7 into, the digits should be greater, right? Here the digits are 4, right? 4 digits. So let me take a 2-digit number. So we have taken 99. Let us take 3-digit number, right? Here. This is 4 digits. Number of digits are greater than the number of 9s. Now, how do? We should not add any 0 to the nearest base 10s. So, this is 999. So, we can bring it to the 1000. Okay. You can write it 4, 3, 6, 7 multiplied by 1000 minus 1. 1000 minus 1 is clearly 999. Okay. 999. Now, you can write this 6437 attached with 3 zeros. If you multiply this with this, it comes to 0. Subtracted by again 6437, right? You can do the vinculum now here. Here 6, 4, 3, 1. Here 4 vinculum, 3 vinculum, 7 vinculum, right? I wrote 6, 4, 3, 1. Here physically, if the subtraction is not possible, then only we can write the vinculums. Now the actual number here, I'll write 6, 4, 3. Here we have to decrease 1, so 0. Here 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 10 minus 7 is 3. So the actual product is 6430563. Right? Now let us take another one. Now it takes 3 to 4 seconds simply. Okay. Just write this number directly and subtraction. We will do that now. We won't write all these steps. We will do it in a faster way here. Now, if I take 5, 6, 7, 8 into multiplied by the number of 9s should be less, isn't it? So, 999 I've taken triple. So, let me take here again 9 also, right? So, 5-digit number and multiplied by a 4-digit number, right? So this is 5 greater, this is 4. Since we have taken 2-digit and 3-digit, we are taking 4-digit. Now let's start here. What we have to do, nearing to this tens base comes to here 10,000 minus 1. Okay, 10,000 minus 1, 4 zeros minus 1 is 4 nines. Now this comes to 7, 8, 9, isn't it? Here multiplied, the bracket itself is multiplied. Let's write here, sorry, this is 6, isn't it? 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 followed by 4 zeros minus the same number we have to take, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what we have to do, subtract, right? Now let's start from left. 5, 6, 7, 8, here 4, 6 vinculum, 7 vinculum, 8 vinculum and 9 vinculum. Now if it is in the series, right? If it is in the series, how do we get? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 decrease, Ekanunena Purvena, 1 decrease before the vinculum. So this comes to 3. 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 8 is 1. Here 10 minus 9 is 1. So what we have done for the vinculum we are doing all from 9, last from 10. So simply the answer is this. Let's take another example. Okay. Now we have taken all this. Let me take an example like okay, 38 multiplied by 9. Let us take a simple one. Right? This is 1 digit, this is 2 digits. So these digits are greater than the 9s. Now what we have to do here? Let's start here. This can be written as, here it is nearing to 10, 10 minus 1. Right, so this is 380 minus 38. So we can write here 380 minus 38, subtraction. So from left, 358 vinculum. So vinculum is on one number. So if it is in continuation, we do all from 9, last from 10. If it is in one digit, we have to do the complement. Now 3, so this 1 decrease, and complement of 8 is 2. Now we have learned that when vinculum is on only one digit, we have to take the complement, and if it is on series, we have to take all from 9, last from 10. So the answer is 342 here. So likewise, we can do the multiplication of series of 9s. We have seen today the 3 types, that is when the digits are equal to the 9s, we have done the procedure. When the digits are less than the 9s, we have one procedure, and that means we were adding just zeros. Okay. Now when the digits are greater than the digit 9, series of 9s, we will be going through the procedure that we have to bring it to the basis 10. So that is very simple. The subtraction, you can do it through vinculum. Now we can do all such amazing tricks within fraction of seconds using the vinculum concept. Okay. Right. Today we will end this topic of multiplication part 5. That is, here this is a specific technique. Why it is a specific technique? Because for few kinds of numbers only we are doing. For only the series of 9 I have explained. So let us see in our next session another technique on the specific tricks. Okay. Thank you all.